Before operating, discharge the main springs and open the circuit breaker's contacts. Push on, discharge springs. Push off, open the contacts. The indicators must show open and spring discharged. To remove the ACB front cover, unscrew the 4 screws all around the cover. After that, you can pull on the handle to ease the removal of the cover. Pull on the locking mechanism where pull is written on the product. Place the coil in the right placeholder. SH2/UV or UV2/SH for shunt, trip coil or under voltage coil. CC for closing coil. Respect the installation technique. Once the coils are placed, push the locking mechanism to block the coils. Plug the coil connector on the terminal block interface at the correct place. Indication SH/UV2 or UV/SH2 or CC. Remove the terminal block label holder using the quarter-turn screws. Insert the terminal block type A in the base, located on the top of the chassis on a draw-out version. Lock it thanks to quarter turns located on the label holder. To put back the front cover of the ACB, pull on the handle, place the cover and screw in the 4 screws.